Okay, so in the last video, we have successfully created the JWT token and we have received it at the front end also. So if you see that from the back end, the response is coming in the form of the token, type, ID, username, email, and roles. Okay. So as many as fields that we want that we can send back to the front end once the user do the login. Okay, now let's go back to our front end. Means now we are going to design our front end so that the user would able to get the login to the system through the form given to the user. The form would be the login form. Okay, and also we are going to implement the registration form. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to add the login form in our front end, and I have already downloaded the code related to front end, which you can also go through one of my previous video where I have shown you that how to clone the existing Git repository. Okay, so the first thing which I'm going to do over here is that I will be moving to the navigation bar, and there I'm going to add two buttons at the right hand side. The buttons are the login and the buttons would be for the login and registration functionality for the user. Okay, so let's see that how to do that first. Okay, so I'm going to do very simple thing over here that let's go to this navigation bar, and here inside the navigation bar what I can do that I can go to over here and type that is navbar. Okay, dot, let's add one more nav component over here, nav. Okay, and this component supposed to be shown at the right hand side, so that is what we want over here. Right, so inside this component we are going to have two different links of for the user and sorry, login and the registration. So I have just copy and pasted that whatever I have over here, right? So here actually I don't require this the slash sign. Okay, so I have removed that from the places, right? And here the first link would be the login link, and the second link that we are going to add is the register link. Okay, and here I'm going to specify the label that is login, and the another one would be register. Okay, now these two should be visible at the front end. So let's see the front end. Okay, let me start the front end. That is local host colon 3000, and yeah, both are looking visible over here, that login and register. Okay, so right now if I will click on this, nothing is going to happen, right? As we have not added anything to the app.js. Okay, so let's do one more thing, that let's add the icon over here, font awesome icon over here, so that it would look good. Okay, so let's add font awesome icon is equal to, here I can specify the icon. Okay, and I must have to close this tag. Okay, yeah, I think this would be okay, not an issue. Okay, let me copy this over here, font ocean icon. Okay, yeah, icon, and here inside the bracket I have to specify that whatever font that I want to add. Okay, so here we are going to add the font that is the user plus. Okay, this would be the font for the uh, register actually. Okay, and the another font that I would have over here, that is for sign in alt. Okay, right, so I have added both of the font, right? And let me see, yeah, now it is looking good, that login and register. Okay, right. So here we have added the login and register links to the our Navbar. That's it for this video.